We just saw a real big one shooting up like out the window in the living room. Of course, when I don't have the camera, it stops, or they do more when I don't have the camera. It was a real high one, way up there. That's strange. When the camera's off, people don't do them much. Or when the camera's on, they don't do them much. As soon as you turn the camera off, they do more. Wonder why that is. Whoa, there's something flashing over there. Something burning or something?
Is it?
I don't know.
I want to see if this will really turn.
Whatever. Yeah, I might as well turn the camera off. I only got 30-some minutes left on it. When that comes to my spot. Yeah, might as well quit filming. Yeah, I guess it's dying down a little bit. Might as well quit filming. Oh, well. Tomorrow I get to watch Roseanne like I do every Saturday. Well, goodbye.